The government has therefore decided to introduce a comprehensive standard operating procedure that harmonizes all existing instructions into a single, sequential, and legal coherent framework applicable across all districts. The SOP establishes a uniform, transparent, and legal robust recruitment framework aimed at merit-based selection, equal opportunity, adherence to government rules, administrative efficiency, accountability, and a verifiable audit trail. 2. It defines the composition, powers, and responsibilities of the DSC and segregates functions to prevent conflict of interest. Major decisions on examination schemes, answer keys, results, and selection lists must be taken collectively with proper documentation and approval. Knowledge of local language is a mandatory eligibility criteria, tested through a separate local language proficiency paper on a qualifying basis.